While FiberCheck Sidewinder is ideal for inspecting and testing large volumes of MPO multi-fiber connectors, it also has the ability to inspect and test single fiber connectors as well. To do this, you'll need to use a different series of tips than the common FCPT series tip that is normally used on the Sidewinder, and instead change it out for the popular FBPT series tips that are used on products like the P5000i and the FiberCheck probe. In order to do this, you'll need to change out the adapter here in the front so that it can accept FBPT series tips. The first thing you want to do is power down your FiberCheck Sidewinder and then proceed to removing the FCPT series tip. You turn the collar counterclockwise and remove the collar from the Sidewinder along with the tip. Once you have that done, you have an inner tube here with an optical lens that's also held in by a collar. You want to remove that smaller inner collar by threading that counterclockwise and carefully removing that optical lens. Set that smaller collar aside and make sure that you put your lens in a safe place for storage. Once that's removed, you can now take this small hollow tube that's part of the FCPT UFBPT kit that'll allow you to use this in conjunction with our simplex connectors. You put that hollow tube on and then make sure you use the inner collar and thread that on securely. Once that's on securely, you'll take the larger metal portion of the FCPT UFBPT and you'll line the keys up accordingly with the FiberCheck Sidewinder. From there, you'll use your large outer collar and tighten that securely onto the FiberCheck Sidewinder. Now the interface of the Sidewinder is the same as a traditional P5000i or FiberCheck probe, and you can proceed forward to attaching an FBPT series tip. This can include our long reach tips that have the integrated lenses built into them, or our more simple tips, which are used in conjunction with a barrel assembly FBP P-BAP1. So I'll go ahead and attach one of those, as well as a standard simplex tip for inspecting an SC patch cord. And now my FiberCheck Sidewinder is ready to inspect a simplex style connector. The next thing that we'll want to do is go into our menu structure to set up for a single fiber test.